y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get salon quality nails at home. I'll be using this Kiss press-on nail kit. This kit comes with 30 nails, nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick. My mom actually picked this up for me at Target and she said it was under 10 bucks. To help me get my nails prepped for the press-on nails, I'll be using this Equate manicure kit that I picked up from Walmart a few months ago. I believe this kit was $1.99. The first thing I'm going to do is select the correct size nail for each finger and set that to the side. The nails are sized by numbers noted underneath the nail, so once you find a nail that fits, all you have to do is find another nail with the corresponding number and you're good to go. You have a match. The next thing I'm going to do is prep my natural nails for the press-on nails. I'll be cutting and filing down my nails as well as using the cuticle pusher to gently push back my cuticles. Gently pushing back your cuticles is one of the most important steps in making sure that your press-on nails last. To be frank, if you don't push your cuticles back, your press-on nails will lift and pop right off. After I push my cuticles back, I'll be using a nail file to lightly file my nail plate to remove the natural oil from my nails. This allows for the press-on nail to adhere to my natural nails better. So to remove all the nail dust from my hands, I did go ahead and wash my hands, so now they're all nice and clean. I did feel like my natural nails were still a little shiny, so I did go back over my nails and lightly filed them before putting on the glue. Okay y'all, we are finally at the most important step in making sure that your nails will last. If you're trying to shower, wash dishes, go swimming, and actually have your nails last for 2 weeks, you have to file down the inside of your press-on nails. To apply the press-on nail, I added 1 drop of nail glue. Try not to add too much glue because it will seep through the sides of your nails. If you do add too much glue, use a paper towel to wipe it off before it dries. Once you add the glue, add the nail, then hold your nail down for 30 seconds until it's dry. For some reason, all press-on nails have that little ball thing at the top, so I did go ahead and file that down. I did add jojoba oil as well as lotion to my hands to add moisture back into my hands as well as to soften them. I love doing my nails at home, y'all. because every time I go to the nail salon, I think they file my nails down way too much, so my nails always end up really brittle, they crack, and they usually hurt so badly. So this saves me money, time, and it's convenient for me because at the end of the day, nobody takes care of me like me, you feel me? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!